Welcome, and I'm so glad that you could join me for music meditation. I'm Travis. Today, we're going to look inward at our bodies. We're going to sit within our bodies and breathe into our bodies. Our bodies get us through the day, and it's important to remember that they're there. As the music begins, come to a gentle sitting position. Make yourself as comfortable as you can. Loosen any clothing or make any adjustments that are needed to sit in a comfortable seat. As you come to stillness, bring your focus to your breath. There is no wrong way to breathe, as long as you are breathing and sitting. Feel the breath moving in and out of your body. Notice your belly or chest, and notice as they fall. Breathing in and breathing out. Be here with your breath for a few moments. Bringing the breath to your hands as you inhale, feeling the breath move through your fingers and your hands, and allowing your hands to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath to your arms as you inhale, and allowing your arms to relax as you exhale. Bringing your breath to your shoulders as you inhale, and allowing your shoulders to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath into your head as you inhale, and allowing your head to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath into your chest as you inhale, and allowing your chest to relax as you exhale. Bringing your breath into your belly as you inhale, and allowing your belly to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath into your pelvis and your sit bones as you inhale, and allowing your pelvis and your sit bones to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath into your upper legs as you inhale, upper legs and your thighs to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath into your knees and into your calves as you inhale. And allowing your knees and your calves to relax as you exhale. Bringing the breath into your ankles and into your feet as you inhale, and allowing your ankles and your feet to relax as you exhale, thanking them for the work that they did for you today. Feel your whole body at peace and ease. Feel how easy it is to breathe fresh air into your body. This peace and ease you now have is with you at all times. Your body is with you at all times. Connect with this peace and this ease as fully as you can. Be here with your body. As the music ends, we're going to take one more big breath. And let it out. And remember that your body is here for you. And your breath is here for you. And at your own pace, you can start wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes, and opening your eyes to face the day. Thank you so much for joining me this week for Music Meditations. I'm Travis.